Welcome back once again to e-learning program of Modern International School, ISWA. This is mathematics lecture, friends. Class 7, chapter 11, profit and loss. In the last video lecture, we had discussed some important terms related to profit and loss and did a couple of questions of examples. So this is the time to solve exercise problems. So let's get started. Here friends, we have taken question number 1. As you can see on the board, question first says find SP means friends selling price when, because this question has 4 sub questions. We have taken one as 4 number and all these 3 are similar. So we have to find the SP where CP is 8640 and loss 12.5%. Find SP. Very simple friends, either we can apply the formula or we can find it directly. Here the solution. So SP friends क्या होगा? SP this is CP. CP minus friends loss means minus. This is 8640 multiply by 12.5%. यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स हमेशा लॉस और गेन अकैस ऑन सीपी फ्रेंड्स, इसलिए यहाँ पे सीपी पे दिस इज आइदर इसको सीपी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, ये 12.5% किसका है फ्रेंड्स? ये 12.5 फ्रेंड्स ये सीपी का ही है. जितना में आपने कोई चीज़ को ख़रीदा है वो तो उसमें से क्या होगा 12.5% यानी 25/2% सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे इसका और वो आंसर आएगा. ठीक है, दिस इज नाउ फ्रेंड्स here is the CP. We can take the LCM of CP. So CP is outside friends. Here becomes 1 minus 12 and 1/2 could be written as 25 by friends 2%. Okay, so CP is equal to 8640. Now 1 minus this is 25 divided by 2. Percentage means friends out of 100 divided by 100. So this becomes 25 1 ja 25 4 ja 100. 8640. This is 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this becomes 8640. Take the LCM. This is 4 minus 1 divided by 4. Now here friends 8640 multiply by this is 3 by 4 and this 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, this is 4 6 ja and 0. Now after multiplying friends 0 now see friends, here is this a little bit missing here. Now see friends, here this is 2 is here because we missed the 2. 2 4 ja friends 8. This is 8640. 1 minus up is 1 and 2 4 ja this is 8. It should be 8. Okay, so here 8640. Take the LCM 8. Here is the 8 minus 1. Now this carries becomes 8640 multiply by 7 by 8 friends. So here 8 1 ja 8 and this is 6. We can write 8 8 ja 64. This is 1 time 0. Now friends multiplying 0 8 7 ja 6, 5 balance, here is the 5 and 7. So this is your required answer. Now see friends, question number 2 and it has also 4 sub questions. We have taken only one sub question as third and all these 3 are similar. So now see friends, find gain or loss percent when CP is equal to 12,000, SP is equal to 2,800. Now see friends, here SP solution right, here CP is friends 12,000 rupees and SP is equal to 12,800 rupees. Now see friends, here is the SP friends greater than CP because 12,800 this is greater than this, so that we can say it gains it occurs gain. Okay, now first we have to find the gain, then find the percentage gain. Now gain is equal to, remember friends, formula GAIN, gain is equal to, this is SP minus CP. Here SP is equal to 12,000 and the CP is equal, SP is equal to 12,800 and minus 12,000 only. So this becomes friends 800. So 800 rupees is gain. Now percentage gain friends. So percentage gain friends, gain multiply by 100 divided by CP. Remember, gain or loss depends upon CP friends. So gain is what? 800 gain multiply by this is 100 and the CP is friends, CP is this is 12,000. So 30. Here the 20 will get cancelled and 10 is from here is cancelled. Okay, now we can say this is 4 3 ja friends 12 and 4 2 ja 20. So 20 by 3%. If we break is as, then 3 as it is, 6 is up and here and 2 is up. So this is percentage. This is your answer. Now see friends, question number 4 says Sudhir bought an Almirah for rupees 13,600 and 400 on its transportation. He sold it for 16,800 rupees. Find his gain percent. First friends, here the three types of amount given. Here is the, this is purchasing amount by Sudhir and this is transportation to bring from one place to another place by Sudhir, and this is the selling price friends. So this becomes complete selling price, but there is hidden, there is no about the discussion about the cost price. If you remember friends, suppose the situations are there, means something is purchasing amount is given or transporting or the repairing and whatever the things the amount is given, then the CP becomes friends the total purchasing price one and transportation or whatever the amount given like repairing whatever, then all these amounts are known as CP. Purchase matlab CP matlab cost price. So here the cost price friends, this and plus 400. Why friends? Because this is spent, this amount is spent by Sudhir, and afterwards then Sudhir sells this Almirah for this rupees. So this gives us total CP, means CP. Now add their values. This is 0 0 2 times 0 is here, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 is balance friends, this is 4 and here is 1, this is 40,000. Okay, now SP is given, SP is friends 60,800. So here friends SP greater than CP, here the gain, and we have to find the gain and we have to find this gain percentage. First find the gain. What gain friends? SP minus CP. So the SP is 68 2 times 0 minus CP 1 4 3 times 0. Now after subtracting friends, this is 2 times 0 is where the 2 times 0 2 times 0, so 8 minus 0 this is 8. Okay, and this is to 28 rupees gain. Now percentage gain is equal to gain multiply by 100 divided by CP. So the gain is 2800 multiply by 100 and the CP is friends, this is 14000. So here friends 10 is here cancel and 2 times 0 is there cancel. Okay, 14 manja and 14 2ja. So the answer is friends 10 multiplied by 2, 20%. 20% is gain for Sudhir. Now see friends, question number 5 says Ravi purchased an old house for rupees 7,65,000 and spent rupees 1,15,000 on its repair. Then he sold it gain of 5%. How much did he get? सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, रवि नाम का एक आदमी है जो एक पुरानी घर खरीदता है 7,65,000 में, और उस घर पे खर्च करता है, कितना खर्च करता है? 1,15,000 रिपेयर करने में, वट एवर द रिपेयर, 20 कुछ भी होगा, वट एवर, ओके। देन फ्रेंड्स फाइंड, उसको बेच देता है कितना? 5% के लाभ में बेच देता है, 5% के फायदे में बेचता है, गेन में बेचता है। तो हाउ मच डिड ही गेट, तो वो वापस कितना पैसा वो वापस कितना में बेचा है, कहने का मतलब इसको एसपी फाइंड करना, कितना पैसा उसे मिलेगा बेचने के बाद, हाउ मच मनी डिड ही गेट, कितना पैसा वो प्राप्त करेगा, ओके। कितना पैसा यानी एसपी फाइंड करना है फ्रेंड्स, एसपी। बट यहाँ पे सीपी नहीं दिया है, क्योंकि सीपी कहीं लिखा नहीं है फ्रेंड्स, परचेजिंग अमाउंट दिया हुआ है। और मैंने आई हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड फ्रेंड्स व्हाट द परचेजिंग अमाउंट इज गिविंग, और सम अमाउंट्स लाइक द रिपेयरिंग अमाउंट्स और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, वट एवर द अमाउंट्स गिवन, ऑल एड ऑल दिस अमाउंट्स बिकम सीपी, ओके। ये सारे अमाउंट्स को अगर जोड़ देंगे तो आपको क्या सीपी देगा, क्योंकि ये रवि ने तो खर्च किया है। घर खरीदने के बाद इन्होंने क्या किया? 1,15,000 रुपया खर्च किया घर को टेंटिंग पेंटिंग मरम्मत करने में। तो ये रवि के पॉकेट से ये भी तो पैसा गया फ्रेंड्स, और ये भी तो पैसा गया। जो आदमी कोई भी चीज़ ख़रीदने के बाद अगर उसमें एक्स्ट्रा पैसा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सारा लगाता है, उस सारे पैसे को जोड़कर जो न्यू पैसा मिलेगा, जो न्यू पैसे बनेगा, जो न्यू रुपीज़ बनेगा फ्रेंड्स, उसको कहेंगे सीपी, ओके। क्योंकि ये पैसा रवि नहीं लगाया तो ये पूरा सीपी, इन दोनों को मिलाकर क्या बनेगा? सीपी। तो फर्स्ट पहले फाइंड कर लेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द सीपी ऑफ रवि। सीपी इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स? 7,653 टाइम्स 0 प्लस इस अमाउंट को ऐड कर देंगे, ओके। यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? सीपी। अब इनको जब ऐड करेंगे 3 टाइम्स 0 तो इधर ही रहेगा। हेयर 5 5 0 1 इज बैलेंस, 1 1 2 6 8 something is 8, this is 8. Now add, very clear, if one's missing then answer will be wrong. 0 0 0 0 8 8, okay, correct। इतना रुपीज़, यानी सीपी कितना होगा? सीपी ऑफ रवि, सीपी ऑफ कितना हो गया? रवि की सीपी इतना। नो फ्रेंड्स, एसपी फाइंड करना। नो एसपी इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स बताया था, एसपी सीपी प्लस सीपी into 5%। when friends, when gain occurs, that means here ऐड करना होगा। जब गेन रहेगा तो यहाँ पे ऐड करेगा, जब यहाँ पे लॉस रहेगा फ्रेंड्स तो यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा, ओके। 5% का जब गेन है तो गेन में तो प्लस करेंगे। अब सीपी की वैल्यू कितनी है फ्रेंड्स? 8 8 3 4 टाइम्स 0। यहाँ से सीपी को कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, सीपी आउट, दिस इज 1 प्लस दिस इज 5%। Now solve friends, this is CP could be written as friends, this is 8 8, okay, 1, this is 5, and percentage means divide 100. So this is as it is friends. So 5 1 ja 5, 20 times में cancel. This could be written is here friends, 8 8 1 2 3 4 times 1, here is the 1 by 20. Now this is 20 plus 1 by friends 20 after taking LCM, okay. This is 21 divided by friends 20. This will get cancelled, okay. Now this 2 1 ja 2 friends will get cancelled. 4 2 4 ja 8 2 4 ja 8, 1 2 3 times 0. Now multiply with 21 friends and we will get friends, we will get the answer as 9243 times 0. This is rupees. So SP, that means how much did he get? And he get friends, yes, he got 9,24,000. This is answer. Now friends, see question number 6 says a vendor buys lemons at rupees 25 per dozen and sells them at the rate of 5 for rupees 12. Find his gain or loss percent. Very simple questions, friends. First, friends, we have to find the cost of one lemon. पहले एक लेमन का कॉस्ट फाइंड कर लेंगे. ओके, CP. Then we have to find the SP of one lemon. Okay, then we can decide either loss or gain. Now see, friends, first we have to write here, we wrote it here, the price of 12 lemon means 1 dozen is 25 is given, friends. Have a look. Lemons, okay, 25 रुपीज पर डोजन, यानी एक दर्जन लेमन्स की कीमत कितनी है? 25. 1 दर्जन मीन्स 12 लेमन्स, फ्रेंड्स. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ 1 लेमन इज इक्वल टू, फ्रेंड्स, 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 रुपीज. नाउ सेकंड स्टेटमेंट सेज एंड सेल्स देम एट द रेट ऑफ 5 मीन्स मतलब 5 नींबू को बेचते हैं कितना? 12 रुपये में. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड गेन और लॉस परसेंट. ओके, अब नाउ फ्रेंड्स, सिंस द SP or we can say, friends, the price of 1 lemon means CP. We can say the CP of 1 lemon is equal to 25 by 12 rupees. Okay, now SP. Here, friends, SP of 5 lemons क्या given है? What? 12 rupees. So therefore SP of 1 lemon is equal to, friends, 12 by 5 rupees. Now see, friends, first decide which this greater or this greater. Have a look, friends. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. इफ यू गो बैक इन द फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर, देन ओवर देयर इज ए कंपेरिजन इन बिटवीन टू फ्रैक्शंस. लाइक सपोज 25 by 12, this is the first fraction for this is CP, and the cost, this is 12 by 5. Check the cross multiplication, friends. 25 multiplied by 5, or this will multiply by, so this is 125 and 140. So this, friends, this yani 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is greater, or there is another way to check out which greater or less. Okay, यहाँ से तो समझ में आ गया कि 12 by 5 ग्रेटर है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे हैव अ लुक, फ्रेंड्स, एक नींबू की कीमत कितनी है? मैंने ख़रीदा जो एक नींबू कितना में? 25 by 12 रुपीज़ में. और एक नींबू मैंने कितना में बेचा, फ्रेंड्स? 12 by 5. वेंडर ने एक नींबू को 12 by 5, तो 12 by 5 में बेचा. 12 by 5 जो है वो रुपीज़, वो जो है ये क्या है? ये 25 by 12 से बड़ी है, जैसे मैंने अभी चेक किया है. ओके, और अदर आप इस तरह से भी चेक कर सकते हैं. इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद अगर माइनस में आ गया, फ्रेंड्स, तो समझ जाइए लॉस हुआ, और अगर तो प्लस में आता है तो इसका मतलब गेन हुआ. ओके, नाउ सी, फ्रेंड्स, this is greater. How we can check the greater, friends? After cross multiplication, and this 12 by 5 is greater value. That means here, friends, SP greater than CP. Okay, so that means gain. Now find the percentage gain. Now the percentage gain, friends, here calculation, percentage gain is equal to, friends, gain multiplied by 100 divided by CP. Now we are talking about the 1 lemon की बात मैं कर रहा हूँ, एक लेमन. तो that means gain is, friends, this is gain. No. First we find the gain, means in difference between the gain is equal to, first find the gain is equal to formula, gain is equal to SP minus CP. So gain SP is, friends, this is SP 12 by 5, and CP is, friends, 25 by 12. Okay, now this become, friends, 60. So this is 144, this is 125. Now becomes, this is 90 divided by 60. So this is the gain, friends. Nicely, gain is equal to 90 by 60. So this is the gain. Now percentage gain, friends, see. Now here percentage gain is equal to, friends, gain multiplied by 100 divided by CP. Now here gain, friends, gain is here 90 divided by 60 multiply by 100 and CP, this is CP friends, 25 divided by 12. Now see friends, this 12 90 divided by 60 multiply by 100 whole divided by CP friends, 25 by 12. Now see friends, here 12 1 ja 12 and 12 5 ja 60. Here 5 1 ja 5 friends and 20 times we will get cancel. Okay, now this is 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 25 and 5 4 ja 20. So 90 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. Now friends, 76, this is 76 divided by 5. Divide friends, 5 1 ja 5, 26 becomes 26, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 2 ja 10. This is percentage. So this is answer friends, 15.2% is required answer. Now see friends, question number 7 says the selling price of 12 pence is equal to the cost price of 15 pence. Find the gains percentage. Here friends, but there is no given the SP of 12 pence, SP of per pence. First we have to consider the price of each pen. Let consider price of each pen is equal to 1 rupees. Then the price of 12 pence, 12 rupees means CP of 12 pence, 12 into 1, 12 rupees. 12 into 1 is equal to 12 rupees. Similarly, CP of 15 pence, CP of 15 pence is equal to 15 rupees means 15 multiplied by 1, 15 rupees. Now the given statement friends, the SP of 12 pence, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है SP of 12 pence means selling price, SP of 12 pence is equal to friends the cost price of 15 pence is equal to CP of 50 pence given. So the SP of 12 pence is equal to friends C is equal to CP of 15 pence. CP of 15 pence क्या है फ्रेंड्स? CP of 15 pence is equal to 15 रुपीज़ हो गया. इसका मतलब कि SP of 12 pence is equal to 15 rupees. So the SP of 12 pence is 15 rupees. So here friends the SP कितना वाट 15 and the CP is कितना फ्रेंड्स 12. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन कह रहा है फ्रेंड्स जो 12 कलम की जो सेलिंग प्राइस है वो हम कितना में बेचेंगे? 15 कलम के बराबर जो प्राइस है उतना में उसे हम सेल करेंगे. ओके, तो ईच पेन की कीमत मैंने मान ली है 1 रुपीज़, तो 15 पेन कितना? तो 15 हो गया. इसका मतलब जो 12 पेन की जो कीमत है SP कितनी हो जाएगी? वो 15 रुपीज़. और 12 पेन का CP कितना है फ्रेंड्स? 12 रुपीज़. तो CP यहाँ पे क्या है? छोटा हो गया. और SP क्या हो गया? ग्रेटर मीन्स SP ग्रेटर CP मीन्स गेन. गेन नो फाइंड द गेन. द वैल्यू ऑफ गेन क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स? गेन वैल्यू आराम से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. गेन इज इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला क्या आता है? गेन इज इक्वल टू SP माइनस CP. सो द SP कितना 15 और CP कितना फ्रेंड्स 12. सो दिस इज 3 रुपीज़, मतलब गेन 3 रुपीज़ हो गया. ओके, नाउ परसेंटेज गेन फ्रेंड्स. परसेंटेज गेन मीन्स गेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 डिवाइडेड बाय CP. सो द गेन इज 3 फ्रेंड एंड 100 इज 100. CP फ्रेंड्स CP is 12. So this is 3 1 ja and 3 4 ja and 4 1 ja and 4 25 ja. So the percentage gain is equal to 25%. So this is answer friends. I hope you will be understand. So we can easily solve friends question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So this is for you friends. So please solve all questions. If you have any doubt, then contact me or leave the message in the comment box below. So your homework friends, question number 1 to 10, and I have already solved them question till the question number 7. Okay, and all questions are similar. So this is your homework. Have a nice day.